Today, we're going to show you how to install your new Wraptech automotive vinyl wrap. You will require a squeegee, a utility knife, a towel, and a professional heat gun or hair blower. Let's get started by unboxing our package. First, thoroughly clean and dry the intended surface. Pre-cut the film 2.5 inches larger than the intended area. Then remove the film liner. Place film on the intended area. Smooth out film using the squeegee. Using the utility knife, cut all excess material. If necessary, use the heat gun to smooth out additional areas that may bubble. Thanks for watching.